Viewers, this is Rani. Welcome to Rani's ANS. Our today's topic is forms of market. So, before I start, do you know what is a market in the realm of economics? Is it just a market or a stock market? I guess answer is no. Because in world of economics, a market is not limited to a physical space where transactions occur. Rather, it refers to an arrangement that allows buyers and sellers to contact either directly or indirectly. Let us proceed to definition of a market. Who gave this definition? Augustine Carnot. Who is Augustine Carnot? A neoclassical economist, a French economist. According to him, economists understand the term market not any particular marketplace in which things are bought and sold, but the whole of any region in which buyers and sellers are in such a close contact with one another that the prices of same goods tend to equality easily and quickly. You have to by heart this definition as it is and write it in the exam. Market is a network of dealings between potential buyers and potential sellers. What are potential buyers and sellers? Potential buyers are the one who are able to spend money demanded by sellers at any point of time. A market will exist if there are first buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers are important factors here. If we don't have buyers and sellers, there will be no market. Second, a product or a service to be bought and sold. Obviously, if there are buyers and sellers and there is a market, you need to have a product or a service. And this you will not get free. So, there is a price of product. Close contact between buyers and sellers. Knowledge about market. What is knowledge about market? You need to know what price is trending in the market at, or else you will be fooled easily. So let me proceed to classification of market. Market can be classified on the basis of various criteria. First, on the basis of place. First one is local market. Local market is a market in which sellers sell and customers buy a product in the region or area in which it is produced. For example, mango of Ratnagiri, if it is as it is produced in Ratnagiri and it is sold in the same region, that is Ratnagiri, and it is called as a local market. Second, national market. Same example, if Ratnagiri mango is produced in Ratnagiri and sold in any other region in India, in any other part of India, and it is called as a national market. It is a domestic market in a given country. Each national market is governed by the regulation of its own country. Third one, international market. Same example, Ratnagiri mangoes. If they are sold in the international market, if they are exported, then it is called as international market. It is a worldwide market in which buyers and sellers trade in goods and services across the national borders are on the basis of time. A first one is a very short period. What is very short period? Where the supply is fixed and the price is determined by the demand. The time period is few days or weeks. Example, perishable goods. Second one, short period. Short period is a period less than a year. Firms can make adjustment in inputs like labor to increase the supply of goods and services. Third, long period. Long period is a time of in which all factors of production and costs are variable. In long term, firms are able to adjust all the cost. It is generally up to 5 years or less. 4. Our third criteria is on the basis of competition. Competition among the sellers and buyers is the most important criteria for classification of markets in economist. As in the last video, we studied about perfect competition. We are going to study about imperfect competitions in the coming videos. Stay tuned. If you like the video, please subscribe, share. Thank you.